Hop into the 2018 Hyundai Santa Fe. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Relax and enjoy the road trip in this convenient, well-equipped Santa Fe. Crossover versatility, striking looks, the latest infotainment and safety tech, and a spacious, comfortable cabin are yours in this stylish, family-focused SUV. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler, traction control, daytime running lights, cruise control, power windows, power door locks, power steering. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.